What is up, guys? It has been quite some time. It has been quite some time since I have filmed anything at all, really, besides like going out and doing some riding videos. Just got back from my rotation from flying. Ended up in Dallas, just drove 3 hours down from Dallas. Yeah, so this video, just kind of wanted to give a quick little update, do something different. I haven't done anything like this really, just like a random vlog of what I'm doing today. And I literally just got here, pulled out my camera, realized it's dying, so it's actually plugged in right now. So that's a fail, right? That's like a noob, non-YouTuber fail right there. Doing a couple things. I'm just gotta put up the Christmas lights that we're hanging, you know, on the house. It's currently January 14th and my lights are still up. I'm also expecting a package today, something that I've been wanting to start for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger on it. We're gonna see how it goes. It's something that's been on my mind for like at least a year, of a certain object that I want to make and play with and see what I can kind of come up with. So that certain machine will be arriving here pretty soon, hopefully today, so I'm excited about that. And I will unbox it in this video, all that good stuff. Not really a review, just me randomly unboxing. You'll see what it is. Update on the bikes. Not really much. I tried to purchase a low profile seat for the beta, but unfortunately most like beta dealerships seem just not have them. They are, I guess, really out of stock, and whenever they do got them, somebody goes up in there and buys them. So called 2 different ones since I was up in Dallas. I tried the dealership in Dallas, they were out. The one out right here in Texas, or I should say, the one down here in Magnolia is also out. So almost ordered one from Amazon, and I probably will end up getting that one because it's a lot cheaper than like the Guts low profile seat for the beta. But yeah, I'm planning on going out riding on Saturday with some guys. Really just wanted to have a little bit more foot clearance, but it is what it is. We're gonna go out there and we're gonna have a freaking blast and a good time. Probably gonna fall a lot, but yeah. I'm gonna give you guys a quick update as best as I can here with the camera of my desk setup. I do have some plans for the garage. I wanna continue it. I wanna make it a little bit better. Realistically, we actually have plans for the whole house, but you know how that goes. So I can't really pick up the camera because it's plugged in, you know, failure, YouTuber, not really a YouTuber clearly, because I didn't do that right. So my cabinet, some of you may see in the video of me putting that thing together and using it, and it's awesome. It's been able to declutterize my entire area. There is some stuff on there right now, but probably gonna go. I'm filling it up. Because I'm running out of space there, I'm gonna be buying some cabinets that run across the top there. This is gonna allow me to add more things if I need to, declutter that cabinet right there, and just improve like the whole just quality thing, right? Something else that I've been wanting to do for a while, garage door seal, I guess you could say. You can see that I kind of started painting it black. It's been like that for a while. I never really like finished it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab, I wanted to spray it, realistically wanted to spray the entire door. It is possible, but then I have to remove all the bikes, take all of these out and whatnot. Not sure if I wanna do that and then potentially risk like spraying this wall. So the best I can think of is to take the outside off, at least the one that's showing, paint those, put them back, and then manually with a brush paint the outside of the garage. So I think I'm gonna do that. I feel like it's gonna help tie the whole room together. I don't like how the lights shine on that and it gives it this look. I think like that, for example, looks a lot cleaner and it's not even done right. A little update on my desk setup. I picked up a Vivo, I think what it is, a Vivo arm mount for the big 40 4849 monitor, don't remember which one it is, and it's fantastic. It really hides. Like before this monitor had some legs down here that stuck out that came all the way down here. Actually, you can kind of see the indentation that it made right there, and I didn't like that. This looks much cleaner. Really was able to like open this whole space up. I'm currently using a laptop to play the video juegos and edit my videos, and this is the ROG G Zephyrus G16, one of the top of the line ones. It's awesome. I travel for work, I take it with me, and I use it when I'm gone. However, when I'm home, I want to be able to have my own desktop. So looking at probably building an ITX build or something like that, but I'm gonna need more space. Probably gonna have to have like some sort of black, almost like a nightstand or something along those lines, sit right around there that I could sit that on for it to look clean here. So yeah, just random update really of the garage and my plans with it. So I really think that the cabinets up here are gonna make a big difference. Don't know about this door, probably going to paint it black. I think painting it black would be the smart idea, and it would really also help tie the whole area together. I don't think I ever mentioned it too, but I got this cool mirror here that really just opens up the area. Of course, mirrors just do that. I'm gonna plug this sucker back up, let it charge, and we're gonna get to random stuff today. Guys, it's here. And we're being greeted by reindeer as well. Fucking YouTubers, bro. It is Bamboo Lab P1P series 3D printer. However, before we get to have some fun doing all of that, unboxing and testing out the new 3D printer for my future endeavors, we've got to clean up / put away all of our lights. So got a reindeer guy right down here. Kind of started taking all that out. Just got to do the rest of the side of the house. Shouldn't take me too long though. So for those that don't know, I actually used to clean windows, like commercial sized houses, all the good stuff, like big houses. So I'm kind of used to being on ladders, or like I used to be being, wow, that was not right. I used to be being on ladders. I was up at like 25 feet up on these vertical crazy ladders, doing some kind of stupid stuff. I mean, I wouldn't do it again, I'll tell you that. But yeah, I'm actually afraid of heights, which is funny because I'm a pilot. Okay. You know, I have a better idea. I think what I'm gonna do is I'll go from the side of the house first, because I can actually climb to the top of the house from there. And once again, fail YouTube vlogger, forgot to bring the camera with me, came back down, almost died. Give me a second. Let's get on the roof. Made it. Made it on the roof. Now we just gotta yank all of this out without not dying. All right, chores are done. I'll call them chores, but it's just daily house things. Anyways, I don't know how many of you guys are gonna find this interesting. I'm literally just recording my day, you know, and kind of like what I'm doing. I've been driving since 9 in the morning, so I haven't had anything but breakfast and getting kind of hungry. Before we unbox our sick 3D printer, I think it's time to get some food. Maybe just relax a little bit. It's fun when you're like on an empty stomach, you know? Like I don't want to do anything and get all jittery. Plus this is like my second monster of the day. I know, bad habits, but here we are, still doing the dang thing. And let's go get some food. Thank you. All right, guys, our belly's full. Let's go ahead and unbox this sucker. Bamboo Lab. How to unbox it. And it all just came out, so I guess that's a good thing. I feel like I can use that for stuff. Dude, this thing looks sick. I'm excited. And here is the box. Some cool gadgets, probably everything we need in there for the printer. Guys, I am very excited. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while now. You know, you sometimes think like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with a 3D printer? Well, that's the thing, you can kind of make everything. I know like cosplayers make suits, there's like printer labs out there. Well, you can design stuff, you know? If you have a problem and you're good at designing, you can fix it. So, just thought it would be a cool addition to have, and wanted to get my thoughts and ideas, bring them out. So, let's go ahead and lift this sucker up if I can. I almost got the Bamboo Lab P1S or something like that, which is basically the same thing with some upgraded parts and covers. However, this is my first 3D printer, and I don't really know, like, you know, being my first printer, I just feel like I needed something basic. And honestly, I think this will do the job. You can upgrade it if you want, get the enclosure if you're wanting to do like ABS or something. All these crazier filaments, which I don't really think I'm gonna need. I'm probably just gonna be doing a lot of PLA. I still need to look into filament and figure out what's the difference with what. I know some could do carbon fiber. However, you have to upgrade to the X1 carbon. That's like $1,500. So unless the product I'm thinking of does well, then potentially could upgrade to something like that. But for now, this is a perfect starter product. People say it runs well and it does exactly what they want it to do. So I'm gonna just watch some videos, get it ready to go, and I'll get back with you guys when she's running. So this is kind of how I set it up for now. I don't think it's gonna be permanent like this. I just think this looks the best at the moment. I'm having it do what is called a benchy. So it's doing just kind of like a test. So it looks like it's doing an auto leveling now. That's pretty cool. This is like the coolest thing I have ever seen. Okay, just like that. There it is. A little benchy is what they call it. Dude, it's amazing. I can't wait to print a bunch of cool stuff and bring out my ideas. Like I said, bring out my ideas to reality with this one. I know this is like super random video of me just doing random stuff, household stuff, but thanks again for watching the video. May start doing a little bit more of this kind of stuff, especially like working on the garage when I order cabinets, more cabinets, and start doing stuff to the garage door itself. But yeah, like the video if you did. Comment your thoughts on this printer. Do you have one, and you know, is it worth it? I think it is. It's pretty cool. It's kind of nerdy, but it's pretty sick. And yeah, guys, subscribe for more content, more stuff, mainly motorcycle stuff, but just, yeah. See you guys on the next one.